Hey gang, this is Randy. It's RANDOG1951. Wanted to give you a short little video. This is concerning the radiators. With 1994 Goldwing GL 1500. There's not much on the internet that talks about how to remove these bloody things. I fought and fought and fought and fought. And so I hope this helps somebody. Okay, you've got a little, I think they call them bosses or something, but right there, okay, there's a little slot underneath here. Anyway, that's where it goes there. And then there's a hose. Let's see. Okay, there's my thing. Okay, there's your hose right up there. Right there. It's a larger hose. And then there's a small one. Right. Let's see, can you see that? Is my thumb in the way? Yeah, shit. Shucks. For the kitties. Right at the end of my finger there, there's sort of a snap ring. Jeez. You know, I decided to call it good. I do not see a leak. I don't see it. And I'm calling it good. I don't know. I'm hoping it was a stupid mistake, excuse me, on my part. We have I'm in northern Idaho, and the forests are just on fire, and excuse me, the smoke's getting to this old man. Anyhow, yeah, I'm putting it back together. So I just wanted to give you a brief, real quickie here. Maybe this will help somebody, you know. So you've got the larger hose up there. You got the little teeny hose. Now, if a person got that off, how in the heck are they going to get it back on without removing carburetors? I don't know. I just, yeah, this is too much for me, really. I wish I had, yeah, wish in one hand and duty in the other and see which one fills up first. Yeah. Okay, that's it. Take care. Hope it helps somebody. Yeah, I'm putting it back together. Stay safe. Get your vaccine. Bye.